Hey, I'm StephSmith with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Sedan Joyner Realtors. Today I wanted to talk about home insurance and that step in that phase of the closing process. So I brought my friend and colleague Wilson White at State Farm, and he's going to kind of talk to us about what to expect in this part of the closing process, different types of insurance, what affects insurance coverage. But where do you want us to start off?
Well, I guess, my place in your home buying process is my job is to make the process as easy as possible on you. So I'd communicate directly with your realtor and your mortgage broker to make sure you don't have to do very much and your closing goes smoothly. I think the best place to start is going to be talking about the two types of homeowners policies that you have available to you right now. And the biggest difference between these is both will actually cover the structure of your house, but one will actually depreciate the value of your personal property. This is called an HO3 policy versus an HO5. The HO5 policy covers your personal property and your home without depreciation, but the HO3 policy will actually depreciate your personal property. So if you buy a $1,000 TV today and your house burns down 3 years from now, you may only get $200 for that TV.
Okay. Don't buy the $1,000 TV if you get that one. So then which one would not depreciate the property?
So the HO5 will not depreciate the property.
Okay, so that would be probably the one. Is there a difference like in the deductibles or the cost of the insurance?
There's no difference in the deductibles, but the HO5 policies are slightly more expensive, not enough to prevent you from getting it because it's a better policy, but you're probably looking at $200 or $300 difference a year.
Okay, but I mean, if you've got the personal property, that might be totally worth it.
Absolutely.
And then another thing we were talking about is things that affect your, home insurance price.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
So there's some things, aside from the obvious, that people don't realize may actually affect their price. Things like the actual breed of your dog may actually prevent you from getting your insurance with certain carriers. Some insurance carriers have what they call a dangerous breeds list. So if you have a Doberman or a Husky or a Rottweiler, they may not even insure you. Some other things that will go into your insurance price are things like the age and type of construction of your house, the condition of your roof, or even the proximity of your house to a fire station.
Okay. And then I get asked a lot by my clients is, especially new home buyers, or maybe if you haven't even bought or sold in a long time, say about 30 years, you forget kind of insurance that's needed, types of coverage. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure. Anybody's best bet when they're buying a home is to make sure that they're going to be have all their policies, home, auto, sometimes even life insurance with the same company, because that's how they're going to maximize their discount and have the lowest price on their home, auto, and all the rest of their policies.
Okay, so best to bundle it all together.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's awesome. Do you have anything else to say? That kind of covers my questions.
I think that about sums it up.
All right, awesome. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all of your subscriptions, your likes, your shares. Thank you, Wilson, for meeting me today and talking about this. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Wilson. I'll connect and link everything in the description below. See you again in the next video. Thanks again for watching.